Shetland pony.
Okay.
This is the maximum size for them.
I'm seeing some friction between them too, like.
Yeah.
This one is 80,000.
So top.
It will grow more. In 18 to 20 months, it grows.
Coming back to Hyderabad after a long time. Last video, most probably long video, is of Hyderabad, and again right now in January I'm back in Hyderabad. Guys, hi, hello, namaskar, namaste, salam, walaikum shikal to everyone. Welcome to another episode of Rahul's Aquatic Vlogs. Guys, I hope you all are doing well. Piche wahan pe, that's the Golconda Fort. Amazing view at the place where I'm staying over here. Right now we're going to be going to the PetEx exhibition in Hyderabad. बहुत बड़ा एक exhibition हो रहा है. We're gonna explore, and over here, today I have Neil with me. We're both gonna be going there.
Both are trained too.
So right now we are at this exotic section over here. They have a lot of exotic birds and one big sulcata. I'm very happy to see a sulcata over there, and some guinea pigs and thoda, what is that? Rabbit you said? Angura.
Yeah, Angura.
Angura rabbit. See that macaw. Beautiful macaw over there. Piche mein there are some pigeons and all. Let me show you the sulcata. Sulcata jo sabse interesting part. If you see this hand reference of this is quite big. And whatever size we get, that is generally this size. Okay. And ये काफ़ी मतलब पूरा set size है, this one. So right here you see anguras. Anguras है. What rabbits are over here?
That is French loop.
कौनटा?
French loop. With the ears which is coming down.
Guinea pig also here.
Yeah.
They're very friendly. So as you can see, he's quite calm. So I'm gonna be handing over to him. I'm not gonna be taking much time. So that was one of the bird section. Next, next we're gonna move on to another part that is inside it. I can see the fish section ahead. So thoda bahut we're gonna show you the fish section, and another bird section is there also. So we'll move. This is another part of the exhibition where they are exhibiting the birds. If you can see in line, one after the other. थोड़ा बहुत एक के बाद एक we're gonna show you how tamed is it. एक पास में ये थोड़ा बहुत आ जा रहा है. ये तो blue gold है. So right now the present price of a blue gold macaw is 2 lakhs. And starting, this is the वो वाला लेगा गोल्डी लेगा. See how tamed it is. How much old? कितना साल में? कितना उम्र है इसका भी?
अभी तो इसका 1.5 year.
1.5 year. Okay. It's a 1.5 year old bird. Sulphur-crested cockatoo, very बहुत शांत, it's very calm. See the majestic, and a lot of bird enthusiasts love to keep this sulphur-crested cockatoo. Personality. It's a seal who has such a good personality. How cute it is. Gala cockatoo, this is next set. We have a pair of Gala cockatoos, and just go close on it. How much does a Gala cockatoo go right now? 1 lakh. Do you love the lip? These are the black swan, a pair of black swan. We don't see common. It's not much common. I've seen the first time over here, and I'm not sure. not quite sure about their feet. Most probably they eat worms and feed bird feed and all. Duck feed. Okay. And next, यहाँ पे you have already seen this these ones over here. क्या Bengal cat over here, and we have Fasiruddin Bhai.
Yes.
Please tell us about your Bengal cat.
Yeah, this is Bengal cat, and people say that this is wild, but not. This is a pet as a normal cat.
Okay.
Yeah, and friendly, and it is very active cat.
Right.
Like Persian is a very slow and moving as they grow, but this is active every time.
So इसका जो pattern वगैरह है, like are there different types of patterns? Like,
Yeah, there are different types of pattern.
Okay.
This is clouded.
Okay.
Okay. This is clouded. Look like a jaguar.
Yes, it looks like a jaguar.
This looks like a jaguar. Okay.
How do you grade your Bengal cats?
Yeah.
Like किसमें मतलब?
We grade him like from color contrast,
Okay.
proper color contrast, proper boundary, proper base color, in color, proper face marking, round,
Okay.
tail,
Okay.
these all things I prefer. We have different colors also in this. I can show you.
Yeah, sure.
This is snow mink Bengal. Snow Bengal.
Okay. Snow Bengal.
It will get all spots here also.
Once it grows.
Yeah, on whole body. They started. From backside, it will cover it up all.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. And how much would this go for?
1 lakh.
1.
This is leopard pattern.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see.
Beautiful. This is beautiful. I have Mr. Ramana over here, and he is having a husky as well as a German shepherd. So can you just see a bit
Yes.
about your husky and German shepherd?
Yeah, this is 11-month-old German Shepherd.
Okay.
It was Candy
Okay.
and trained. It was a very cute dog. As well as this is Husky, the 7-month-old. It's a female one.
Okay, that's a female. And
Both are friendly.
I'm seeing some friction between them too. Like someone is craving for attention.
It's a jealous one. If you want to play along with this.
But this one is very friendly.
Yeah.
Okay. So over here we have a beautiful pony, right?
Yeah.
So can you just tell us about?
It's a Shetland pony.
Okay.
This is a maximum size for it, and it's an import from Europe.
Okay.
It's an import from Europe.
This is the maximum size. So if you see, this is the maximum size, and you know they are very cute pets. But how much land area like you require for?
10 by 10.
10 by 10. So minimum of 10 by 10 area if you're having, you can surely keep this. And what about the feeding?
We feed them dry fruits, pellets. And
Just like normal horse?
yeah.
Anything special like for?
Yeah. We put pellets are there.
That's it.
This is right for you.
Your name just?
Yeah, this is Ayan.
Ayan Ali Mia is over here. So this was one of the exotic items which we got over here at Petex, and it's very, very interesting to see. that was PetEx India, the expo over here for 2023, and it was a great experience. I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to share this video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video somehow, then do not forget to hit the like button, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Meet you in my next episode. Bye bye.